Okay, so here I have my seasoned chicken. You can season it for just a few hours if you like, but mine has been seasoned overnight. So I'm gonna put it on the stove, cover it up, and steam it for like 10 to 15 minutes, really fast. So as you can see, the chicken is cooking up right now. Almost done. Okay guys, for the stuffed chicken drumstick, you're gonna need some cheese. I have mozzarella cheese over here, but you can choose any type of cheese that you like. I also have breadcrumbs. You're gonna need some breadcrumbs and some potatoes. I have some potatoes over here. So what you need to do with the potatoes is that you need to boil it. So I'm gonna go ahead and boil it up. I have my onions on the side that I'm gonna use for my sauteed onions, and I also have a jalapeno that I'm gonna chop off because I love a little kick of spiciness on my sauteed onions. If you don't like spicy food, you do not have to include the jalapeno. I added a pinch of salt, one small cube of Maggi, and black peppers, and I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. You can use any type of oil that you like. So my chicken is all done. Now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. All you need to do is use your hands and take off the meat off of the bone. Okay, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, take all off. As you can see, I've detached the chicken meat from the bones, so you have to save the bones. See, this is all you need to do, just detach it from the bone. I also have my boiled potatoes ready, so just mash it up like this. You can also use a potato masher if you want. So just mash, mash, mash. You don't have to mash it up as if you was making a mashed potato. Just like let it have like a little bit of crumbles like this. Now I'm gonna add my cheese. Not that much. Let's see, like 2 handfuls, and a little bit of black pepper. Not a lot. And mix it all up. Now we're gonna take the chicken meat and the potatoes, mix it up. Take the bone that we separated, put it like in the middle. We're gonna act like we're gonna fix the chicken meat with the potatoes back to the chicken bone. Stuff it up. Try to get the chicken drumstick shape again that we just detached. It's real easy, so you just, because the potato is gonna help you stuff it up. See? This is what we need. Set it down. Take another one. You also need some eggs for the breadcrumbs. I have 3 eggs that I'm using. I have my eggs over here. I have my breadcrumbs over here. So we're gonna stuff the breadcrumbs. My stuffed chicken with breadcrumbs are now ready for fry. I'm gonna go deep fry it, but you also have the option of baking it in the oven. But today I'm gonna deep fry mine because I prefer to fry it. I've chopped up some tomatoes, red onions, and cucumbers for my salad. I add a little bit of Maggi in it, a pinch of salt, and some black peppers. And I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, also like a tablespoon. This is for my salad. I love this. This is my mom's recipe, and I love it. You can just eat it like this without even having a salad or anything. See the juice? You can also use the juice as a salad dressing if you like, because it's so tasty. It's vinegar, lemon juice, and some seasoning. Thank you, everybody. Now it's all done. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. This is an easy and quick recipe. You can make it with your kids. The kids love to make fun stuff like this. They love to be your little helpers. So stay safe with this COVID-19 pandemic going on. Hope this will go away soon. Enjoy your chicken drumstick right here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everybody that I've been reading your comments. I've been loving it for the endless support that I'm receiving from everybody. Thank you. Please subscribe.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب يا منزل القرآن يا خالق الإنسان يا رب يا رحمن شكرا يا رب شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب يا منزل القرآن يا خالق الإنسان يا رب يا رحمن شكرا يا رب شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا نورت دربي شكرا شكرا يا رب يا منزل القرآن